Welcome to the Ultimate AIF-C01 Exam Masterclass. Are you ready to crack the AIF-C01 exam in one go? You're in the right place. In this session, we'll arm you with powerful insights and hand-picked questions that can make all the difference in your exam performance. We've scanned the web using intelligent crawlers to gather the most critical and high-impact questions, all compiled into one powerful PDF resource. You can download it from the link in the description. Not only will we explore these must-practice questions, but we'll also share real exam experiences and pro tips to give you that competitive edge. Let's dive into the key questions that could shape your success. Question 1. A company makes forecasts each quarter to decide how to optimize operations to meet expected demand. The company uses machine learning models to make these forecasts. An AI practitioner is writing a report about the trained machine learning models to provide transparency and explainability to company stakeholders. What should the AI practitioner include in the report to meet the transparency and explainability requirements? Option A. Code for model training. B. Partial dependence plots. C. Sample data for training. D. Model convergence tables. Correct answer is option B. Explanation. Partial dependence plots visually explain how specific features affect model predictions. They help stakeholders understand the reasoning behind the model's decisions. Question 2. A law firm wants to build an AI application by using large language models. The application will read legal documents and extract key points from the documents. Which solution meets these requirements? Option A. Build an automatic named entity recognition system. B. Create a recommendation engine. C. Develop a summarization chatbot. D. Develop a multi-language translation system. Correct answer is option C. Explanation. A summarization chatbot extracts and shortens complex text into clear summaries. It is the perfect choice for understanding the main points of legal documents. Question 3. A company wants to classify human genes into 20 categories based on gene characteristics. The company needs a machine learning algorithm to document how the inner mechanism of the model affects the output. Which machine learning algorithm meets these requirements? Option A. Decision trees. B. Linear regression. C. Logistic regression. D. Neural networks. Correct answer is option A. Explanation. Decision trees provide a clear path showing how decisions are made from input to output. They are easy to interpret and great for understanding model logic. Question 4. A company has built an image classification model to predict plant diseases from photos of plant leaves. The company wants to evaluate how many images the model classified correctly. Which evaluation metric should the company use to measure the model's performance? Option A. R-squared score. B. Accuracy. C. Root mean squared error. D. Learning rate. Correct answer is option B. Explanation. Accuracy measures the percentage of correct predictions made by the model. It is the most direct and useful metric for classification problems. Question 5. A company is using a pre-trained large language model to build a chatbot for product recommendations. The company needs the language model outputs to be short and written in a specific language. Which solution will align the language model response quality with the company's expectations? Option A. Adjust the prompt. B. Choose a language model of a different size. C. Increase the temperature. D. Increase the top K value. Correct answer is option A. Explanation. Adjusting the prompt guides the model to produce output in the desired style and format. It is the most efficient way to control the model's response without retraining. Question 6. A company uses Amazon SageMaker for its ML pipeline in a production environment. The company has large input data sizes up to 1 gigabyte and processing times up to 1 hour. The company needs near real-time latency. Options: A. Real-time inference. B. Serverless inference. C. Asynchronous inference. D. Batch transform. Correct answer is option C. Explanation: asynchronous inference supports large payloads and long processing times. It allows the system to return predictions as soon as they are ready without blocking. Question 7. A company is using domain-specific models. The company wants to avoid creating new models from the beginning. The company instead wants to adapt pre-trained models to create models for new, related tasks. Options: A. Increase the number of epochs. B. Use transfer learning. C. Decrease the number of epochs. D. Use unsupervised learning. Correct answer is option B. Explanation: transfer learning helps adapt existing models to new tasks using less data. This approach saves time and resources while maintaining accuracy. Question 8. A company is building a solution to generate images for protective eyewear. The solution must have high accuracy and must minimize the risk of incorrect annotations. Options: A. Human-in-the-loop validation by using Amazon SageMaker Ground Truth Plus. B. Data augmentation by using an Amazon Bedrock knowledge base. C. Image recognition by using Amazon Rekognition. D. Data summarization by using Amazon QuickSight. Correct answer is option A. Explanation: human review ensures high-quality annotations and accurate training data. Ground Truth Plus combines automation with manual validation for better results. Question 9. A company wants to create a chatbot by using a foundation model on Amazon Bedrock. The model needs to access encrypted data that is stored in an Amazon S3 bucket. The data is encrypted with Amazon S3 managed keys. The model encounters a failure when attempting to access the S3 bucket data. Options: A. Ensure that the role that Amazon Bedrock assumes has permission to decrypt data with the correct encryption key. B. Set the access permissions for the S3 buckets to allow public access to enable access over the Internet. C. Use prompt engineering techniques to tell the model to look for information in Amazon S3. D. Ensure that the S3 data does not contain sensitive information. Correct answer is option A. Explanation: access failures often result from missing permissions. Proper IAM role setup allows Bedrock to access and decrypt S3 data. Question 10. A company wants to use language models to create an application for inference on edge devices. The inference must have the lowest latency possible. Options: A. Deploy optimized small language models on edge devices. B. Deploy optimized large language models on edge devices. C. Incorporate a centralized small language model API for asynchronous communication with edge devices. D. Incorporate a centralized large language model API for asynchronous communication with edge devices. Correct answer is option A. Explanation: small language models are lightweight and faster on edge devices. They reduce latency by processing data locally without cloud dependency. Question 11. A company wants to build an ML model by using Amazon SageMaker. The company needs to share and manage variables for model development across multiple teams. Options: A. Amazon SageMaker Feature Store. B. Amazon SageMaker Data Wrangler. C. Amazon SageMaker Clarify. D. Amazon SageMaker Model Cards. Correct answer is option A. Explanation: Feature Store enables storing and reusing ML features across different teams. It improves collaboration and ensures consistency in model development. Question 12. A company wants to use generative AI to increase developer productivity and software development. The company wants to use Amazon Q Developer. Options: A. Create software snippets reference tracking and open source license tracking. B. Run an application without provisioning or managing servers. C. Enable voice commands for coding and providing natural language search. D. Convert audio files to text documents by using ML models. Correct answer is option A. Explanation: Amazon Q Developer helps generate code, track dependencies, and manage licensing. It accelerates development while ensuring code compliance and traceability. Question 13. A financial institution is using Amazon Bedrock to develop an AI application. The application is hosted in a VPC. To meet regulatory compliance standards, the VPC is not allowed access to any internet traffic. Options: A. AWS Private Link. B. Amazon Macie. C. Amazon CloudFront. D. Internet Gateway. Correct answer is option A. Explanation: AWS Private Link enables private secure access to services without using the internet. It meets strict compliance needs by keeping traffic within the AWS network. Question 14. A company wants to develop an educational game where users answer questions such as the following. A jar contains 6 red, 4 green, and 3 yellow marbles. What is the probability of choosing a green marble from the jar? Options: A. Use supervised learning to create a regression model that will predict probability. B. Use reinforcement learning to train a model to return the probability. C. Use code that will calculate probability by using simple rules and computations. D. Use unsupervised learning to create a model that will estimate probability density. Correct answer is option C. Explanation: This is a basic math problem that does not need machine learning. Simple rule-based logic provides accurate results with minimal overhead. Question 15. Which feature of Amazon OpenSearch service gives companies the ability to build vector database applications? A. Integration with Amazon S3 for object storage. B. Support for geospatial indexing and queries. C. Scalable index management and nearest neighbor search capability. D. Ability to perform real-time analysis on streaming data. Correct answer is option C. Explanation: This feature enables efficient vector search, which is key for applications like AI, semantic search, and recommendation engines. Question 16. A company is building a contact center application and wants to gain insights from customer conversations. The company wants to analyze and extract key information from the audio of the customer calls. Options: A. Build a conversational chatbot by using Amazon Lex. B. Transcribe call recordings by using Amazon Transcribe. C. Extract information from call recordings by using Amazon SageMaker Model Monitor. D. Create classification labels by using Amazon Comprehend. Correct answer is option B. Explanation: Amazon Transcribe converts speech into text for analysis. This text can then be used to extract insights and improve customer service. Question 17. A company has petabytes of unlabeled customer data to use for an advertisement campaign. The company wants to classify its customers into tiers to advertise and promote the company's products. Options: A. Supervised learning. B. Unsupervised learning. C. Reinforcement learning. D. Reinforcement learning from human feedback. Correct answer is option B. Explanation: Unsupervised learning finds patterns and groups data without needing labels. It is ideal for segmenting customers when labeled data is not available. Question 18. An AI practitioner wants to use a foundation model to design a search application. The search application must handle queries that have text and images. Options: A. Multimodal embedding model. B. Text embedding model. C. Multimodal generation model. D. Image generation model. Correct answer is option A. Explanation: multimodal models can process and understand both text and images. They are ideal for search applications that involve different data types. Question 19. A company uses a foundation model from Amazon Bedrock for an AI search tool. The company wants to fine-tune the model to be more accurate by using the company's data. Options: A. Provide labeled data with the prompt field and the completion field. B. Prepare the training dataset by creating a text file that contains multiple lines in CSV format. C. Purchase provision throughput for Amazon Bedrock. D. Train the model on journals and textbooks. Correct answer is option A. Explanation: fine-tuning requires structured examples of input and expected output. Prompt and completion fields help the model learn from real use cases. Question 20. A company wants to use AI to protect its application from threats. The AI solution needs to check if an IP address is from a suspicious source. Options: A. Build a speech recognition system. B. Create a natural language processing named entity recognition system. C. Develop an anomaly detection system. D. Create a fraud forecasting system. Correct answer is option C. Explanation: anomaly detection identifies behavior that deviates from the norm. It is effective in spotting suspicious or malicious activities in real time. Check the description for the PDF download link and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for upcoming episodes. Thank you.